guys, welcome back to another Temu haul. Today I am bringing you more Temu fashion. Thank you to Temu for partnering with me on today's video. And if you have not tried Temu yet, what are you waiting for? And also, where have you been? Just kidding. We do a lot of Temu over here on Life and Style by Liz, and I love to feature the fashion, the jewelry, and all that type of stuff that makes us look cute. I even today have nails. I know I've been dying to try their press-on nails, so I have them on today, and I will show you in just 1 second. But Temu is fantastic. They give you up to 90 days for returns. Shipping is free to the continental United States. It is not a scam. There's nothing to worry about. It's not some weird website that takes your money and then you can't call or email or contact them and then they're off and just like fly by night. That is not Temu, you guys, I promise you. I have been doing Temu hauls since January and they had a commercial. I always tell you guys this, but you know how expensive commercials are in the Super Bowl? Temu had one. So they are not going anywhere. Rest assured, you guys will be satisfied, happy, and if you're not, like I said, you have 90 days to return everything. I don't think you will, but you know, it does help to know that. All right, enough about that. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you my nails. Look, you guys, I tried the press-ons. Are they not so cute? I always have a cut, a burn. There's always some damage to my hands. I'm a busy girl. What can I say? But here they are. Aren't they adorable? This set will be linked below. You guys, the prices right here, amazing. So I'm loving these. They again came with little press-on stickers. Pop these right on. You guys are gonna love them, I promise. And they have a ton of designs over there if you're not into the neutrals like your girl is. All right, let me back up and show you this dress. You guys are gonna love it. Check it out. It is patchwork. It's maxi length. It's got a little slit just to the one side. I'm wearing it in a size small. I do love that it has a little bit of smocking. You can't tell because this cute fabric kind of hides everything. I do have to talk about the top in a second. But it does do that little smocking right there. And I'm gonna carefully turn and show you the back. And here it is. Again, you can see the smocking and then the open back right there. Now, you guys, the top's a bit small for me, which is why I'm doing careful turns. Something going on the sides here. You know, I would be a little more comfortable if it was right here on me in the front. But again, I'm wearing a size small. So size up for more coverage and you guys will be fine. I love, 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 again, the fabric in and of itself, along with the fact that it is a maxi length. And if you guys could feel this, it's so soft. It feels like a well-washed men's dress shirt. Nice and cottony and soft and smooth. I just love it. And the sizing really is forgiving, except for up top. For me, I would definitely size up one and I think I'd feel much more comfortable. But from the waist down, fits me perfectly in the size small. All right, you guys, I have so much more to show you. So let's keep going and check out more Temu fashion. All right, you guys, I'm back with probably my favorite item from this Temu haul. Now, if you're following me over on Instagram, and if you're not, it's just at Life and Style by Liz, you may have seen this dress already because I already wore it out to my mom's birthday dinner. It came in the mail, I think, the day before, and I'm like, oh, I'll be wearing this to dinner. I'm in love. Let me back up and show you. How beautiful is this dress? I'll insert the picture that I took in the city in North Buffalo, where I grew up, and shot that fantastic shot. My husband actually took it for me because I just thought the occasion called for it. And this dress had to be photographed immediately. It's gorgeous. I'm wearing it in a small. It has adjustable straps. It crisscrosses. I love the lace waist. It's so cute. And it's very forgiving in the size small. I have plenty of room. I'm in love with this fabric. You guys know I love black and neutrals, and that's exactly what this whole pattern is, black and neutral. I just can't say enough about it. I think there's something so dramatic about a maxi length dress, especially with a full skirt, but then that cute tiny little fitted top and waist just makes it for me. So I think you guys are gonna love this one. If you have an occasion coming up, if you want to take pictures somewhere, this dress has so much drama and it is absolutely gorgeous. The price is up on the screen, you guys know. Totally affordable. You can absolutely purchase several of these items and not spend a ton of money. I'm having a bad hair day. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? I have much more to show you, so I will be right back. Hey you guys, back with my next look. You guys know I have to bring you a jumpsuit each and every haul, doesn't matter the brand. And here it is for today. Another gorgeous print, you guys, with my faves, black and neutral. Check it out. All right, I did crisscross it up here and tie it around my neck, sort of halter style. I felt I got more coverage out of it that way, so keep that in mind if you do plan on purchasing it. It does have a cutout right here. It also has the back cutout, which I love, you guys, and even the side here is cut out. Now, side up top is good. We're good there. That's important. But right here, it has that cute little side cutout. I am totally loving this. Again, I think I'm wearing it in a size small. I will let you know down in the description box what size it is for sure. You step into it, it does have one side zip on the side here and a nice full leg. And just so you know, I'm wearing a heel and I am 5 feet 5 inches tall, and it's not dragging on the floor. Let me take my shoes off. I think that even with flats on, it's perfectly fine, barely touching the floor. You guys, this is another gorgeous outfit to wear for photos. If you guys are doing, I don't know, vacation photos, engagement photos, whatever, this outfit here would photograph very well. I think Temu is fantastic for several things. Number one, we love the prices. We know this, right? But I also feel like you can explore fashion at Temu and take risks that you normally would not, because everything is so affordable. So you're not making this huge investment. So if you've never worn something cut out or risque, try this jumpsuit. There's the price. I think you guys are gonna love it. One last spin in it. I love it so, so much, and I think you guys will too. All right, I have 3 more outfits to show you. Don't go anywhere. Temu is killing it. I'm back, you guys. Now, did I say I had 3 more to try on? Because there are 4 more, including this gorgeous piece. Check it out, you guys. This is a midi dress with, again, another gorgeous fabric. I'm loving all these. You guys know I'm pretty neutral, pretty simple, but I'm really and truly loving these full, gorgeous dresses with these cute little details. Look at that cutout. The nice thing is this is elastic, so it's not gonna dig into you and you're not gonna look, you know, like you have some fat roll sticking out or something crazy like that. Very, very flattering. Also a one shoulder design. It does zip up the side here. You guys know I love a good one shoulder, right? Let me back up, quit talking and show you. Here it is, here's the back. That full gorgeous print, I absolutely love it. I love the colors. I could also see this with a pair of flats. You know, beach vacation, beach photos. This would be gorgeous. Again, I'm wearing this one in a size small. I'm in love, you guys. I purposely picked all dresses and jumpsuits for today's haul to show you some one and done Temu looks and these prices. What do you think so far? All right, you guys, I have 3 more now for sure, and I'll be back. Check out the color of this dress, you guys. It reminds me of the ocean. So if any of you are going on a beach vacation or beach weekend, grab this dress. It is so comfy. You guys, it's giving moo vibes as far as comfort. I'm just saying, nothing wrong with that, right? It's a maxi dress. It does have the adjustable straps up at the top. There's no waist, so you can totally chill. I think that's why I'm getting those vibes. It's like a really nice, perfect, relaxing dress for the beach. You're chilling. I would even consider using this as a cover up over a bathing suit. There's nothing to it. You just slip it on. You won't have to steam this. It'll be great for packing on vacation. And again, it would look cute just with flats as well. Let me take my shoes off. Again, I am 5 feet 5 inches tall, and it's not dragging on the ground. I actually like it better in flats. Let me know what you guys think. And it does have a little cinching up at the top here to give you some kind of a form. But other than that, it's just chill vibes all day long. That's what I'm getting. Ocean chill vibes. Here I am down here. So let me know in the comments down below what your favorite dress has been so far. This one, I just want to like go chill on a lounge chair, hear the waves. I'm getting ocean vibes from this one. All right, you guys, 2 more. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back with my next look now. I think I lied because I feel like this is now my favorite look. I'm not kidding you guys. Wait till you see this dress. It is gorgeous. Check it out. Look at this. It's a maxi, but you guys, it is smooth and fitted. Check out the side view all the way to here. How adorable is that design? I love Temu because they have, it is affordable clothing, but I love it because there are so many details, and that's what makes clothing look high-end. You guys know I always tell you, look for the details in affordable clothing. It will make it look high-end. Check this out. So it's fitted all the way to here, but then it's a full maxi at the bottom with tiers, which is certainly trending right now. Here is the back. It has a cute little fabric belt that you can just wrap around, and I just tied it once and hung it right in the middle. You actually don't even need to wear the belt if you don't want to, but of course, another detail that makes it look so, so cute. Also carrying my bucket bag. This is from Temu as well. I've shown you guys this one before. Absolutely love it. It is modeled after a designer bag without the price, so price is up on the screen. I know you guys will love everything, and guess what? Yes, even my shoes are from Temu. Let me show you these. So comfy, you guys. Look at these. So when you look at these, you're going, oh, Liz, those are too heavy. I don't want to wear them. No, they're not. Look, they're like light and foamy, but sturdy and perfect. Cushiony right on the footbed. I love the platform. That's always comfortable, nice and wide front there. And I do love the color. It's kind of like a pale gray white, but I thought it went very well with this bag. So loving this whole look. Let me back up and show you. I put this one together in my back closet. I'm like, oh, I think I like this one better than the black. I don't know, maybe it's kind of a tie. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Temu is killing it. I say that every video and I mean it. All right, one last look and I will be right back. All right, guys, back with my last and final look. Another gorgeous dress from Temu. Check this one out. It has these gorgeous crocheted straps. They're kind of like daisies, and you know, they're clear and cut out, and they accentuate your waist in the cute straps. I absolutely love the color. Of course, we love black. Checking for pockets, no pockets on this one. I love the long prairie skirt almost with the one tier at the bottom, and then you're gonna get that crochet again. And it is lined up to here, so don't I look cute in a little mini? But it's not. I do love that lining though. That way you know it's not see-through when the sun shines or whatever. Kept the same sandals on because they go with everything. Didn't quite get the zip. There I am. You guys know I'm back there by myself. So, but you guys, this is just another gorgeous dress by Temu. They are absolutely killing it. These prices are amazing. Let me know in the comments down below. Two things. One, what is your favorite outfit? Two, have you purchased from Temu before? What was your experience? Also, okay, three, let me know what your favorite look was. And I always have a special, and I will put it up on the screen or do a voiceover. It changes each and every time I do my hauls, but I will make sure to let you in on the special, whatever it may be, whether it's a discount code or something else. You will see it up on the screen and hear me say it. Also, you guys, don't forget they have those gorgeous press-on nails. The prices on these nails are fantastic. I think you guys are gonna love them. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I hope you all have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.